Hey, how's it going? I'm Landon. Welcome to my channel. I was just about to go for a walk with my buddy Sam, if he wants to come here. Hey, there you are. We're gonna go for a walk. So I usually don't listen to music when I'm walking, but I'm gonna try out these Samsung Buds Plus. Galaxy Buds Plus. I don't even know the name. This might be a difficult unboxing because I haven't done an unboxing with my friend here. He's only 11 months, so he's a new friend, but he's my best friend. Is that right? Oh, he sees himself in the camera. Okay, so we're gonna check them out. I have a Galaxy S10. I've tried the Apple, what are they called? AirPods. They're pretty cool. I thought the sound was really good, but I wanted something that would hopefully work right away with my phone. Galaxy S10. Come on, they get the stuff on here that it's hard to get off. Yeah, so the idea is I'm trying to stay Samsung for ease of use, and these are the newer model, apparently. I don't know a lot about Bluetooth headphones, and I'm taking way too long to get this off. Come on, there we go. Apparently from what I've seen in videos, I picked these ones. They're a little bit more expensive. I got them from Costco, and they have better microphones, and maybe battery life might be better too. I can't remember exactly what I read, but I'm gonna try them out, and we're gonna check it out. So we're gonna unbox it here. So it comes with a charging thing. What? Yeah, we're gonna go soon, okay? We're gonna go soon. Don't worry. So open up the stuff here. He's really interested. Little manual. You know what? I'm not even gonna read the manual. I'm just gonna pop it open, and I've got my phone in my pocket, so it comes with accessories here. What do you think about this? USB-C charging cable, and then it's got a bunch of different adapters for, I guess, the shape of your ear, different sizes. I'll try the default, and hopefully it's charged. So here's what you get inside the box. Got a little case. It's wrapped up really small. I like that. So that's gonna fit nicely in my pocket. I'll lose it very easily. That'll be awesome. Okay, so pop it open. It's got a little red light, a left and right. Tells you which is which. So I'm gonna bring up my phone, turn on my phone. Does my phone see it? We're gonna find out in a second. Very exciting, isn't it? So I'm not seeing anything right now. Maybe, what am I doing wrong? Do you think I gotta take them out first of all? Okay, maybe they're not even on. I'm such a noob, right? Took them out, the red light is off, so maybe that means they're not charging anymore. Let's, I like that they're labeled, that's cool. I mean, most are, but, okay, left and right. Now I'm gonna be, oh, that actually, so it beeps. I don't know why it's beeping. Is it sensing something? There you go. It's showing up in the available devices. I'm gonna click on that. Hey, get out of there. Bluetooth pairing request. So far, so good. Setting up your phone. I'm hearing it now through, and I'm probably screaming and yelling. Sorry about that. So I have to install an app. Let's show that up there. App to install. I don't know which camera's gonna get better. Oh, congrats, it did it itself. There we go, agree. You're all set. That was pretty seamless. Let's go, get to know use the touchpad. Touchpad. Oh, there's actually a touchpad on these things. That's crazy, I didn't know that. Just saying I don't know anything about these. Why'd you buy them? I like trying out new tech. I like being surprised by new stuff, so it's fun. So it's just giving me, it's saying play or pause the track. You tap, double tap, next track, answer a call, triple tap, previous track. Ambient sound, charging your phone, charging with your phone. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I'm assuming I can take it. You all done? You don't want to be part of this anymore? Yeah, so you can charge it on your phone. I will try that after. So I'm gonna guess that this can sit on here and is that gonna know? They're not in there right now. Let me take them up for a sec. Oh, I have to turn on wireless power share. Sorry. Okay, should have read that first. I'm very good at skimming and not reading. I'm a pro. Pop these in. Man, I'm super impressed so far. Let's, obviously, I can review the features and stuff, but how do you tell somebody if it sounds good, right? That's one thing. How do you do an earbuds review if this is your only ones, I guess if this is the only like Bluetooth wireless headphones or earbuds, whatever you call them, that you have, I can only compare it with these. So if it sounds good to me, come on, 1 megabyte, it's taking this long. Oh, it's copying the software to, I think it's doing a firmware update. What song do you want to listen to? What do you want to hear? I have, I'm yelling a lot, that's for sure. Don't want to be part of this anymore? You done with me? I have YouTube Music. I subscribe to YouTube Premium, so I've got the YouTube Music. And obviously I'm not gonna play music back because I'll get a copyright, but what song do I want to hear? My first test. Stone Temple Pilots, Interstate Love Song. Oh, I just paused. Oh no. Okay, that works. I did the triple tap to go back. All right, pause. Pause, double tap. Next song. Nope, that unpaused. There, next song, and 1, 2, 3. That's pretty cool. So that works well. I just want to hear when the song kicks in, and the volume level is controlled on the phone. Oh yeah. Cool. Pause that. My main concern was the bass, and it sounds really good. This is my initial impressions unboxing. I guess this is my review. They're good. I like them. Not sure if they fit my ears perfectly with those molds, but I can. Pretty good, I think. I'll have to check it out. I'm gonna take a look more at the Galaxy Wearable. Oh, ambient sound, so I don't have that turned on. Let me check that out first. What does that even mean? I think, oh, okay. I get it. Check, 1, 2. I can hear the room. There we go. Keep outer mic clear. So I can hear, oh, that's pretty weird. It's like an echoey chamber sound. Oh, it's got an equalizer. It's on normal right now. Bass boost. Let me try that again with bass boost turned on. Oh yeah, cuts down the highs. Yeah, you know what? Ambient sound. I don't think I'm gonna have that on, unless maybe I'm walking outside so I don't get hit by a car. Sam, you ready to go for a walk? We can go try these out outside. So yeah, it looks like I can do wireless charging on my phone. Stop it. Well, you don't want to be in the video? Here, I'll move over. So, as I was saying, yeah, so it's got the charger. You can plug it in. I guess I can rest it on my phone. I just have to turn on the wireless charging. And what do you think about that? You want to try them? He doesn't have much to say about that. Okay, so we will. That's gonna be it for this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Landon. This is Lando27 Tech. This was Sam. This is his debut on YouTube because he can't see you. He's new to YouTube. He has an Instagram channel actually though, Instagram page. Sam I Am a Lab. I'll put the link in the description. You can check out his daily activities. He has his own phone and he updates it all by himself. Is that right? I can't see you. Where are you? Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope that was interesting. If you have any questions, I'm not used to having 2 cameras set up, so I keep looking at the wrong one. If you have any questions about this, leave me a comment below and I'll try to answer my best. Okay, take care. Bye. Sam! Let's try to go back. What are you doing? Bluetooth pairing request.